Okay. Last time.
Last time.
Last
Okay,
time.
fine.
Okay,
We are
hold-
praying that this is the last time you are
the
doing
last
it.
time. Because really, beyond here, if it's still not okay,
It's a heronia, eh?
now you see, because it's the upside down, the distance between the steps of the ladder is not working.
This is a different ladder.
Well, no, it's because the distance between the steps is not standard. So since normally this end goes down, I know I can. Okay, we need to take out and we need to just lower it the other way around.
Okay.
We turn it upside down.
Yeah. You need to bring it diagonal.
Should it be straight, diagonal?
This one goes.
Yes,
down.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
this one now goes down.
I'm not
It's
approving
weak.
it.
You need to find some. No. You need to find some. Now nail hammer, because this one it's weak, and two, it's lower than the other one. So the main weight actually rests on the broken leg.
Or we remove that extension since it's long enough. We remove the extension.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try that.
It will take you time to remove the extension.
Tukoje?
That is okay.
Okay. Let's try again.
This has some impact on it.
No.
Let's try.
Just
again.
try.
Let's try again. Let's see.
I think it will work now. Peleka
Let's
tu,
just try
peleka tu.
again. Let's just try again. You need to lower it diagonally.
I think it's now fine.
Okay.
Just hold it tight.
Okay. All right. So you can take out the ladder.
You are done.
Yeah. Take it out.
Thank you. You don't look up, huh?
Yeah. Okay. So,
You need a.
I need my phone, yeah. All right. It's okay, let me just take it as it is.
As it is.
Yeah.
You.
Okay. So.